Alveolar fricatives, s and z. S and z are called alveolar fricatives since they are produced near the alveolar ridge. S is unvoiced and is the counterpart to the voiced z. To pronounce s and z, the tip of the tongue approaches the alveolar ridge but doesn't quite touch it. The opening is wide enough for airflow to continue, but narrow enough for the escaping air to become turbulent, hence the hissing sound. Sa, za minimal pairs. Fleece, fleas. Peace, peas. Ace, A's. Force, fours. Pence, pens. Advice, advise. Fussy, fuzzy. Pierce, peers. Apiece, appease. Gross, grows. Place, plays. Arse, ars. Guinness, guineas. Precedent, president. Ass, as. Hearse, hers. Purse, purrs. Basis, bases. Hence, hens. Race, raise. Bruce, bruise. Hiss, his. Rice, rise. Bus, buzz. Case, case. Ice, eyes. Sap, zap. Cease, sees. Joyce, joys. Sauce, saws. Lace, lays. Countess, counties. Lice, lies. Sink, zinc. Decease, disease. Loose, lose. Sip, zip. Device, devise. Miss, Ms. Sown, zone. Dice, dies. Spice, spies. Tense, tens. Else, els. Muscle, muzzle. Trace, trays. Once, ones. Treatise, treaties. Face, phase. Pace, pays. False, falls. These are minimal pair sentences with s and z. We saw the place. We saw the plays. They made peace. They made peas. The price was $100. The prize was $100. Did you see the racer? Did you see the razor? He lost the race. He lost the raise. S and z as grammar particle sounds. S and z can function as grammar particle sounds. That is, we need to add the extra s or z sound at the end of words for the plural, like books or beds, and for the third person simple present verb tense like she eats and he reads. In the section on voicing, we learned how to pronounce the grammar particle sounds. Saw, thaw, minimal pairs. Now we compare s and z with the similar sounding th and the. The sounds s and th can sound similar since both are fricatives and unvoiced. But s is an alveolar consonant and th is an interdental consonant. Mouse, mouth. Sing, thing. Face, faith. Force, forth. Sick, thick. Sink, think. Sought, thought. Tense, tenth. Mass, math. Miss, myth. Pass, path. Saw, thaw. Seam, theme. Sum, thumb. Song, thong. Use, youth. Worse, worth. Gross, growth. Race, wraith. Seam, theme. Sigh, thigh. Sin, thin. Sum, thumb. Truce, truth. Moss, moth. Piss, pith. Purse, perth. Sank, thank. Suds, thuds. Sump, thump. Symbol, thimble. The and za minimal pairs. The sounds the and za are fricatives and voiced. They differ in placement. One is interdental and the other is alveolar. These are minimal pairs. Then, zen. Clothe, close. Clothing, closing. Sheath, sheaths. Teeth, tease. Teething, teasing. Bathe, bathes. Breathe, breeze. Lithe, lies. Loathe, lows. Scythe, sighs. Seethe, sees. Seethe, sees. Lathe, lays. Soothe, soothes. Tithe, ties. S, z, th, and the sentences. These are sentences with s, z, th, and the. There are 6 thick thistle sticks. Is this your sister's 6th birthday? Elizabeth's birthday is on the 3rd Thursday of this month. This is the 6th zebra snoozing thoroughly. Nothing is worth thousands of deaths.